loyalty, and wisdom. Today we will be doing some fun activities as a part of our UKG kids are dressed up in blue themed characters. Let us enjoy the performance. Thank you.
My name is Vicky. Today I am playing drum. I ain't a man to go. I want a Kawasaki tree. So happy, KTLC song. Thank you. Hello everyone. My name is Sasidaran. Today I am a slave. I am everything you see above when you look up. I am blue, up like dark. Thank you. Even my name is Kokulavatini. I am a blueberry. Small and round, I grow on bushes. Good and healthy snack for kids. Thank you. Thank you. My name is Tamiri. I am studying at UKG. I am Elsa. I am the beautiful queen. I am the magical power. I am dressed in blue with a shining rose. Thank you. Oh, Namaste. Good morning to all. I am Health. I am blue planet. I have land, water, and heaven. I am part of solar system. I am blue planet. Oh, Namanarayani. Good morning to all. I am jellyfish. I am very short animal. I am live in the sea. I am look like umbrella. Thank you. Oh, Namanarayani. Good morning to all. I am butterfly. I fly in the sky. Oh, Namo Narayani. Good morning to all. I am blue red. I am just animal. Big body. I have small and thank you very much. Oh, Namo Narayani. Good morning to all. I am Hussain. I contain part of that. A few of them to breathe
பசியுடன் துள்ளி துள்ளி வீடு வந்து ஒன்றுமில்லை என்றவுடன் சண்டை போட்டதும் காய்ச்சல் வந்து படுக்கையில் சொந்தம் எல்லாம் துடிக்கையில் அடிக்கடி காய்ச்சல் வர வேண்டிக் கொண்டதும் எங்கள் வீடு போல இந்த மண்ணில் சொர்க்கம் ஏதம்மா. பூவனத்தில் மரமுண்டு, மரம் நிறைய பூவுண்டு, பூ நிறைய தேன்